Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect a BigCommerce store to Selro. Connecting these platforms helps us manage inventory, orders, and listings across all our sales channels more easily. Let's start on the BigCommerce dashboard. We go to Settings. On the left side of the page, we find this section. Then we scroll down to API. In the API section, we select store-level API accounts. This lets us give permissions from our store to another platform. Now click Create. We are creating an API account. Next, we choose the token type, either a CLI token or a B2V3 API token. We need to connect the connector. This is our API path, and we should remember it because we will use it for authentication. We can change the authentication scopes here. We select what functions Selro will have in BigCommerce. Just set these options. When we finish, we click Save. After saving, Selro will receive and verify the authentication. This lets us access BigCommerce from Selro. Once verification is done, Selro is connected to BigCommerce. This is how we connect a BigCommerce store to Selro. After integration, we can manage our e-commerce business from one central system.